First day namin ngayon dito sa Zellamsi. At kakain kami ng breakfast. Pababa lang kami at kakain ng breakfast. Tapos, mag-hike na tayo. Mag-hike na kami. For the first time. So, nag-blower lang ako at naglagay ng sunscreen and eyeliner. And that's it. We are going. We have to go kasi mahaba pa ang araw natin. So, let's go. I want So, ang daming pagpipilian. Wala akong mapili. Actually, madaming choices. Kaso, ang choices na nandito ay para sa mga European people, yung mga choices ng pagkain. So, as a Asian, gusto kong kainin ay itlog na prito, saka hotdog, pero wala. Mga healthy yung mga nandito na choices. So, patay niyan. Which is good, yun. Wala akong kumain. Nahirapan lang akong pumili. Kain na tayo. Ang ham. Ito yung egg nila rito. May lagayan. Guten Morgen, everyone. Guten Morgen. Papunta na kami ni Pao ngayon sa ating first destination, sa aming first destination. At ang aming first destination ay ang... Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan ng aming first destination. Basta pupunta kami sa taas ng mountain at kasalukuyan kaming nasa... how you call this? Basta yun. Underground. Basta ito. Basta nandito kami. At ang aming journey ay malapit lang. Andito pa rin kami sa Zellamsi. At yep. Time check. 9:49. No. Yes. 9:49 na po ng umaga. At ang ating weather ay 20 degrees. Kami papunta sa may snow doon. Yan. 20 minutes drive. Long sleeve para hindi makapagreklamo ang Inday Batutay.
You don't know the price now.
Really?
And free parking, way better than Switzerland so far.
So far?
So far.
So good.
Far so good. You just won. Just horn.
Glitcher yet. Glitcher yet.
Also,
Sorry.
that one not working, right? Yeah, this one working.
Ito yun, sa Kitzsteinhorn. Para bumili tayo ng ticket.
Oh, ticket thing here. Oh, there is person there.
Okay, let's go here. Where is it? Which pay tickets?
Okay, by the card.
By card,
Yes,
please.
please, you can pay now.
Okay. Ito na yung ticket. So, I didn't really understand what she said as that.
She said it's free anyway.
Ah, it's free anyway.
There's something for that discount. Yeah, it's free anyway.
So, nakalagay doon, 16 degree. 16 degree, 10, 21 right now. How? How to scan it? Here?
Look.
Okay, ayun. So, mag-wait lang tayo ng ating turn. Dala si Pao ng beer para beer. So, dito na kami sa pinakataas at nakikita nyo ngayon dito yung mga bakas ng snow. Ay, nagpapuli yung tenga ko. Did your ears pop, love?
No.
So, may mga bakas ng snow dito. Kasi last 2 months ago, nag-i-snow pa dito. At
But love, imagine skiing from here down and seeing the view.
Yeah,
And seeing
amazing.
the view and skiing down, seeing the view.
Yeah, so maraming pumupunta rito para mag-ski. Kasi grabe yung view. Tingnan nyo. Imagine nyo kung gaano kahaba yung pag-i-skian nila.
Oh, I see the snow there, definitely.
Oh,
It's
that
ski.
one looks like a snow, yeah. But why do they cover this one?
I don't know.
I
what
think
they call
it's
it.
like to make it look good. Ito na tayo. Look, there's a flag of Austria there. Oh.
Where?
There, the top.
Look. Bam. And you enter.
Nakasuot ng mga winter jacket ngayon yung mga tao. At tingin ko kailangan ko na rin isuot ito. Yeah,
The rocks.
yeah, love. Yeah, let's take a selfie here. But there are people who wearing shirt only, love. What the heck?
Yeah, they don't have. It's fine, the guys. Mostly guys.
Yeah.
I didn't see the girl wearing shirt. The guys. I mean, I'm totally fine with a sweater.
Like, cannot. Ang lamig na, oy. Nagda-dry na yung kamay ko. Pero may mga nakasuot na t-shirt na mga lalaki. Mostly mga lalaki. Oh, this is the top. Yung pinaka-top. At ang dami ng tao. Real snow.
The sun's so bright here.
Yeah, it's very bright here. One degree ngayon. Ang daming tao. Ice Arena nakalagay. Yan, may mga yellow, oh. Yellow siya. Kasi nakalagay nga Ice Arena. So, there's somebody skiing even there playing, no? 1 degree ang temperature natin ngayon. At okay lang naman kasi meron akong tatlo na yung suot ko ngayon.
But this mountain looks even taller.
Right?
There is snow.
Good thing meron akong cover sa leeg.
I will prank over.
What?
I will film with us now until like the winter came
Suddenly.
suddenly.
So it's really a snow or fake one?
It's a real. And be very careful.
Tingnan nyo yung dinadaanan namin, no? Yellow.
That's why
Yellow siya.
that's why Arab like it.
Yeah.
You don't have snow or mountains.
Not
No,
really,
they
yeah.
have a desert.
Yeah. So, tingnan nyo yellow. At madami ngayong tao. Tingnan nyo yung paligid. Good thing talagang nagpalit ako ng sapatos kasi yung suot kong sapatos kanina hindi siya pang hike. So, kung sinuot ko yun, malamang tagus na tong mga yelo na to sa sapatos na yun. So, buti na lang nag-change ako ng sapatos. Uy, hindi, lagot. At okay na yung suot ko Nakasuot ako ngayon ng tatlong damit. Meron akong pang inner, sumunod yung long sleeve, sumunod dito. Okay na siya. Tapos meron ako nitong jacket na for in case kailangan ko pa. Tapos dalawa yung medyas ko. Isang mahaba saka isang maikli. Si Pao, yung suot lang ni Pao ay isang shirt at long sleeve na ganito.
Kaliyadom.
So meron dong pwede kang mag-slide doon. Pero, hindi kami sure kung libre ba siya. Kung part ba siya ng binayaran namin. Kita nyo. Di natutunaw yung yellow kasi 1 degree. Right, love? It's not
It's kind of melting.
melting a bit, but not really, no?
Yeah.
Because 1 degree is enough to keep them, no?
Yeah.
Sabi rito. So, do not leave the markways. Ito yung mga markways. Ito nyo, yun, may mga construction pa dun. Okay, sa pagkatanda ko, 3,202 meters yung layo nitong mountain sa city. So, mataas siya.
So nice machine that can
I love their
How-
sliding because of their shoes.
Oh yeah. Look, so nice machine. Look, can climb very very steep hill.
Yeah, right.
Like can climb the mountain with that one.
My, their shoes is bad. She's sliding, love. He's sliding, literally sliding.
Can take it. My shoe, this one also good hair grip.
Yeah. Buti na lang, good thing I changed, love, because see, they're sliding, love. So, good thing talaga nagpalit ako ng sapatos kasi nag-i-slide yung mga tao sa sapatos nila.
For men, it's like first time for Arabs. Many first time seeing snow.
But I think love, there is a place in Arab country that snow. I don't know. Actually. Because it snowed last year to them, which is rare. It's rare to them, you know. It's
Oh
like
my.
global warming thing. It snowed last year in Arab.
Hiking. But only this year I get snow,
Yeah,
so I think it's fake.
can be fake, no? Can be fake.
Yeah.
this like liquid down the ground seems like there was a ice here that melt. Mali ako. 3,029 meters wala. So, andito tayo sa 3,000. Dito tayo sa 29 meters. Dun sa taas, dun. Yung 29 meters.
Nice. But that one definitely is the fake.
That one, right?
But you have nothing, no cable cars.
We haven't reached
You have
it
to
yet.
climb it.
We haven't
yourself.
reached it yet, right? Dito na tayo, pababa. Dito na tayo pababa dito. Dito na tayo, bababa. Kanina nakikita lang natin to. Ngayon, pababa na tayo dun. Tayo sa pinakataas. At tali ko lang ito para hindi makita sa camera. Ito na yung taas. Bueno, kanina pa tayo nasa taas pero ibang side naman. Yan, nakikita nyo. At marami pa rin tao dito. So, let's go doon sa side na yun. So, punta tayo sa side dito. Dahil ang dami ng tao doon sa gilid doon. Lamig sa taas, kaso di mo siya ramdam kasi excited ka. So, ito, gamit to para makita mo yung kung sino nandun sa mga mountain doon kasi malayo yung nakikita nito. At free lang siya, guys. Free. Alam niyo ba sa iba, kailangan mo pang maghulog ng 1 euro bago ka makabayad. So, including na siya sa price ng binayaran mo. So, 160 na binayaran namin, including na siya. So, worth it. Right, love? Worth it, no?
Worth it.
So, baka mag-slide kami dun sa baba dun. Parang free lang siya. So, maybe mag-slide kami dun. So, baba na tayo. Mag-slide tayo. Parang masarap mag-slide. Tingnan nyo, kailangan umawak dito. Mamaya madulos ka dyan. So, medyo matirik yung daanan pababa. So, maraming mga tao. Meron silang dalang yung stick pang hiking. Kasi steep yung lugar. Meron man kami sa sasakyan pero hindi na namin dinala. Kasi kaya naman. Ang maganda nga lang, kailangan meron kang hiking shoes para much better ba. Kasi, syempre, iba ang shoes. Mag-shoes ka na, mag-high heels ka rito. Alam mo naman, mag-high heels ka rito, no? So, parang maikli lang. Parang maikli lang ba yung daanan sa baba. Pero, pag binaba mo na siya, matagal din siya. Diretso ka dito, masakit to. Ay! Dito na tayo. So, saan sila kumukuha ng slide? So, where are they sliding?
They're getting it from there, I guess.
Where?
Slide. They're renting the slide.
They're renting it.
I think. That guy was very fast.
Nice idea, my love.
Nice.
We don't wanna go up there and
But I want
waste.
to feel my feet.
Ah, okay. Daming tao dito, daming bata. Okay, so pabalik na tayo. You have fun, love.
I have fun.
Me also. Had fun. Where are we going next, love? Go down?
Now for now, go down. Yeah. Go down. That's it. The spot.
Ay, putik.
Finish.
This spot? Done. Kaninang umaga, ang dami naming katabing tao dito. Ngayon, wala na. Hinayaan na lang nilang mga ano. Which is very nice. Sulit ang aming bayad ng ganito. Nahihilo na ako, ah.
See how steep and how we descending, how long already, and still how steep, how high we are.
Right, love? Where is
We're
the car?
There, in that
Where?
corner. If you see 3 buses there, so more to the left
Oh, more inside there.
and down, more to the left and down, and that.
My love, imagine you falling down here, still higher. Still gonna hurt, eh?
You will can die.
Right?
Still higher than any Ferris wheel. How long we going down? Still higher than any Ferris wheel.
Yeah, my ears is still like, you know. Sobrang linaw ng tubig. Oh, my ears is hurting.
But we can go swim in drinking water
Where?
next to us.
We're here. So we are done. We are done. Love,
We are
jump.
done.
So much fun.
So much fun.
Yeah.
So much fun.
It's
I lost my car keys in the top. I left it
oh
on the
no.
seat.
Oh no.
We have to go up.
On the very, very top, love.
Look where we come from. And this is not even high because we
go past it, right?
When we are here, we already oh no, we already here.
Yeah, we passed it, no? It's more past eh. So, 116 euro. Is it worth it,
Want a
love?
coffee?
Ay, na kami ng mountains ngayon. At may baon kaming lunch ni Pao. May tuna kaming baon, cheese, tapos bumili kami ng meat para ipalaman. So, kaya maghanap na lang kami somewhere kung saan kami kakain. May nag-enjoy kami sobra. Pero naman mga shop doon kung saan pwede kaming kumain. But very overpriced. So, may baon naman kami. So, bakit pa kami kakain doon? Diba? So, yan. Meron kami
Look,
ditong
the
booklet.
Kuwait. It's Arab car. It's from Arab.
What the heck? How did they come here? So, yeah. Punta muna tayo sa car at punta na tayo sa ating second destination.